Ever felt what it is like to swim against the tide, to disrupt the status quo, to win against all odds? That's what Vivriti Asset Management is all about. At Vivriti Asset Management, we believe excellence is not a skill, it is an attitude. Every step matters, every individual matters. Because when everyone moves forward together, success takes care of itself. We are a rapidly growing startup that is reshaping the Indian fixed income market. And when your work has the capacity to change everyday lives of millions of people, there is no greater motivation. Or is there?
One of the biggest motivations is the fact that we are creating an industry in itself.
We are transforming debt markets one day at a time.
The unique tech-based platform that they've come up with, it's disrupting the market.
I was looking for something in the financial services side.
I was looking for something more in the impact space, and VAM was right there with innovation and impact.
There's a lot of traveling, so I love traveling. The kind of people that we interact with is incredible.
I think that's the biggest differentiator. Every company just stays because of the people and culture, and that's great here.
Passion, ambition and hard work are very, very critical ingredients of the Vivriti culture.
At Vivriti Asset Management, we are creating a new category in Indian fixed income markets. This can only be done if we are extremely open-minded to consider what hasn't been done before. Passionate to achieve against the odds that the world throws at us. Honest in accepting and giving feedback. And compassionate towards failure. And these values define our culture at Vivriti. What makes us stand apart from others is
Our approach of investment is very data-based.
It's always something new that's happening.
One thing that is brilliant about the Vivriti group is the kind of collaboration.
Applying technology to areas where no one else probably has done.
Everyone tends to make mistakes, but mistakes are never been pointed out at, and it's been encouraged to make mistakes and learn from it.
If I say that I want this thing to be done, I don't have to ask them, please give me this thing. So everybody is committed towards the end goal.
The kind of quick decision making and the pace at which we work.
All of that put together, it's just an immensely innovative space that we end up working in.
All it takes for an employee to do well at Vivriti is to take initiative. When they take initiative, the world opens up for them.
our focus on our customers, our colleagues, our stakeholders, partners, and all those lives that we touch along the way will always be at the core of our efforts. Also, we wear our values proudly on our sleeves and bring them to life at work and beyond. We are driven to leave our stamp on the future. We are Vivriti Asset Management.